Once again, this is Teacher Julz. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For today's video, I am going to share with you on how to make DIY stickers. Are you ready, guys? Join with me. Let's begin. Now, these are the steps on how to make DIY stickers. First step, we need to prepare the materials, and these are the materials we will be using. These are the materials that we will be needing in our DIY stickers. First, we need clear plastic tape. We need also scissors. We need printout of the picture that we want to make as stickers. And then, we need also recycled wax papers. Second step, we need to cut the pictures that we will make as a sticker. So we need the scissor and the pictures. So let's start. We need also to leave space if you want to make a white border to make it like real stickers. Away these pictures, I just chose this from the Google Clip Art because we will be needing this for our next week tip, which is about the plant. So I chose these pictures on how to make or to grow a plant. So this is the picture that I got. So I put a little bit white border to make it like a real stickers. Third step, we need to make 2 layers of this clear plastic tape. So we need to make 2 layers of this plastic tape on top of this wax paper. So first, I will put this plastic tape. As you can see, I put it here. We need to press it, and then on top of this first layer of plastic, we need to put the picture that we got. So, put it here. Then, we need to put the second layer on top of the picture. So, this is the second layer. We need to put it on top of the picture. Second layer on top of the picture. Then we need to press it to remove the bubbles on top of the picture. And that's it. Our DIY sticker is ready. And then we need to cut it on the sides again, but we need to put another space for the plastic tape. This clear plastic tape on the sides, the space that we put will become the sticker, or will become the part that will stick on the surface. Okay, so here it is. As you can see, the space on the sides are very important. This will be the sticking part of our DIY sticker. So you can leave it like this and keep it for the future use. So you can just remove it like this from the wax. Or if you want to keep it like on one sheet of paper only, you can put it on one sheet like this one. So I have here another extra recycled wax paper. So if you want to make it on one sheets only, so just remove it, the sticker from the wax paper, and then put it on another wax paper on the wax sheet. So it will be like this, and you can put also another sticker here and there. And if you have a bigger wax paper, or if you have bigger wax sheet, you can put all together your DIY stickers. Then you can use this in the future. You just need to remove it like it's just the same. Not really the same, but similar to the real sticker. So this is it. We are done. So easy to make, and at the same time you save money. The materials are just beyond your space or just beyond your place. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy in this video, and if you want to try, now it's your turn. Always remember, learning is fun. Since so